Clark's Harbour is picturesque, it's also remote, and like a lot of remote areas, there's been a lack of local healthcare services. A new clinic here is changing that. The Mental Health and Addictions Clinic opened in July and provides services for adults and young people. The people who work here say it addresses barriers to access. Before this clinic opened, people had to drive to Yarmouth or Shelburne for access to care.
Like people who live outside of the big city centers or even the towns have to travel for absolutely everything for appointments. And I think that, you know, in mental health, we really want to reduce barriers and we really want to make it easy for people to get the help that they need. And having those little clinics around, you know, free parking, you're just getting rid of some of those kind of reasons why people might not reach out.
Along with the free parking, there are other features here that distinguish it from a hospital environment. There's a playground out back and a boardwalk nearby. They're features staff here say help to build rapport with young people seeking help. Then there's the added benefit of a local touch. Casey Newell is from the area and jumped at the chance to be involved when the project was announced.
This is like the dream, right? Like, make the community healthy, make the community happy, and I think that that's what this space is doing at the end of the day, and I think that's the most important thing.
Newell and Lombard say their days are full when they're working here, and they say the service is being embraced.
I am hopeful that in this small community that the more kids that we can see, the less stigma is going to be around mental health, right? So it's kind of like starting with a new generation and kind of trying to teach them that talking about mental health and addictions in a small fishing community is actually a good thing.
The hope is that as word grows, more people will seek help and the services offered could expand. Michael Gorman, CBC News, Clark's Harbour.